Is there Frodo hair on these? Got him.
I've got the old soul, you know, feeling caught my sweetest soul.
Cold. Delicious. Hello! So today I wanted to cover a more or less requested hair tutorial. Ever since I did my Harry Potter lookbook, in which the Tom Riddle look had that updo, I have been getting requests on how to do that, and naturally the idea of that hairstyle comes from none other than Evie from The Mummy, because my entire life motto is, what would Evie wear? Whew. Chances are if Evie would wear or own something, your girl has to have it. So this entire video will be a nod to the most wonderful fictional librarian ever. So what you'll need for this is a hairbrush, a buttload of bobby pins, and I mean a buttload. Either foam rollers or some other type of rollers, or just a way to curl the front half of your hair, and a hair rat. Is that it? I think that's it. So starting off, as you can see, only the front part of my hair is in rollers. These are foam rollers. You can get them at pretty much any pharmacy or beauty supply store. I have a whole video here. I would definitely suggest using a setting lotion. I use Motion's Foaming Wrap for mine. But yes, if you want to see how I roll up my foam rollers, it's pretty easy, but the video is there just in case. And then the rest of the hair is just pulled back, and we'll worry about that later. So we're gonna let these babies down. Looking good. Now I'm just gonna go through with my fingers and break up that product so it's not so crunchy. And then I'm just gonna brush through. So I actually changed my mind, and I'm gonna do the back of my hair now, so that way I can just pin the curls back as needed. And I'm gonna take my hair rat and wrap up my hair in the back and then pin it. Another way to do this is what I've shown you in my other videos by just making a low bun, flipping it around and pinning it. You don't need this, but it does add some extra volume and kind of gives it more of a Edwardian feel. So I hope this is in focus because I can't see.
Should be crying for a little bit of sympathy. Lonesome me, I'm trying to make them believe it.
So now that the base of it is pinned in, I'm just gonna kind of pin this floppy looking stuff.
Nobody knows but my pillow and me.
So we will worry about making this prettier later, but for now, that'll do. So now this mess. Now it's just a matter of pinning them in spots that work for you and work for your face shape.
I'd like to see you every day, the Jones to Susie Green, not every day.
And what I like to do is kind of bring it into the tuck in the back so that it all looks like one cohesive style.
As we are engaged and as I soon will be your own, give me a ring at lunchtime every day.
A lot of this is kind of just feeling out where the curls want to lay and kind of working with that.
Cried upon the phone next day and cried, hello, hello, hello.
Pull up some stragglers to help with my moon face. And then I'm just kind of pinning anything that is sticking out.
For you, hello.
And that is pretty much it. It is very, very easy. It's one of my favorite hairstyles to do when I either don't want to curl all of my head, or if I have second or third day curls that I kind of just want to get up off my neck and into a somewhat formal updo.
Jones held the phone for half an hour and talked till he was blue. He
that is it. I hope that you guys found this helpful. If you do try it out, make sure to tag me on social media, so I'm nosy AF and I would love to see. I love you guys so very much, whether you're new or old to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Frodo, that's not... And it's a good hairstyle. And it's one of my fave hairstyles.